2005 f650. It's got the C7 engine in it. Caterpillar. The biggest Caterpillar engine they made. 5107 Caterpillar engine. It has a spring suspension, so you never have problems with the airbags. Truck is like new, Florida highway miles. Call me right now if you'd like to buy this truck. 954-937-8271. Tires are like new on it. It's got the stacks, CB radio, tow package. Exterior is super clean, interior is super clean. Visit bigboyhotrods.com for more trucks for sale. bigboyhotrods.com. It's got the hydraulic brake. You don't need a CDL to drive it. It has a CB radio with a PA system. Hello, 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 hello. It has a PA. Also has a Camwood radio with a navigation, DVD player, stereo system. Got the big box in the back, so you get a really good stereo sound and bass. Leather interior. Spikes on the wheels. Call right now to buy this truck. 954-937-8271. 954-937-8271. My name is Alex. Pick up the phone and give me a call if you want to buy this truck. Thank you for looking, guys. Give me a call right now so we can make the deal.